This is the cost of living income. And for this assignment, it's just been set off by tabs. And what we'd like to do is put it into a table. So do not include the title. In fact, the title, if you want to go ahead and make it a different color, different font, different size, or put it in word art, whatever you'd like, center. And then I'll select all of the city, state, and values, select everything. And instead of having it set off by tabs, it would probably look better in a table. So insert, table, convert text to table. It automatically knows there are 4 columns and 29 rows, and click OK. While it's still selected, the height of them is very, very narrow. So I'm going to go to Table Tools Layout and increase this to 0.4. And it did go on to a second page, which is what I wanted. So now we need the row with the column headings. So click in Albuquerque or New Mexico and choose Insert Above. And I put the column names in the header, so you can type city, state, income, and house cost. And we'll fix this later because cost went on to the next line, but we'll fix that later. If you want to, for the column heading, if you want to change the font color, make it larger, put them in bold, maybe center, and then I usually choose a shading color so the heading stands out. If you hover between the boundaries, you can make house cost a little bit wider. And the next thing we'll do is we want to sort by state and then by city. So all the states will be first and then alphabetically by city. So again, click anywhere in Table Tools Layout, choose Sort. Make sure my my list has a header row, which it does. And we want to sort first by state and then by city. And it should be both ascending order, and then click OK. So if you see the 3 Californias, it's in alphabetical order: Berkeley, San Diego, and San Francisco, and the same thing with Massachusetts. And continued on, New York, North Carolina. So for the dollar amounts, the values, I usually select those columns and would choose right align. So align center right, just so the decimals are lined up. And then for this, the 2 columns to the left, I would probably choose align center left. So just put it in the middle of the cell. So it went on to 2 pages. We need to put totals here, so I'm going to click in the last one and choose insert below, and then totals. And the formula is equal sum above, and put in the $sign, OK. Click in the next one, and F4. So on this second page, it doesn't have the column labels, city, state, income, house cost. If you click anywhere in that row and click repeat header row, looks like nothing happened, but if you scroll down to page 2, there it is on page 2. So it repeated it for you. So if we view this, you have the title and the header row is on both. And that is a save and submit. Thank you.